Are you ready to defy the sands of time? Imagine a world where aging is optional and immortality is within our grasp. Imagine popping a pill that keeps your cells forever young. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But researchers are diving deep into our DNA, unlocking secrets that could potentially halt aging. They're tweaking genes, harnessing the power of enzymes like telomeres that rebuild our genetic material and could dramatically extend our lifespans. But what would a world of immortals look like? How would societies adapt if nobody aged? The ethical debates are as endless as the potential lifespans. Could immortality be reserved for the wealthy? Or will it democratize survival, making age just a number for everyone? As science marches forward, the dream of dodging death might just become reality. Stay tuned, stay curious, and who knows? Maybe one day the fountain of youth won't just be a myth.